PCH right there. Sheesh. I'm about to fucking scale this shit. Fuck walking around. Oh shit. There it is. Going to a little meet at Sterling BMW in Newport. They have like a taco vent or some shit. Gotta see what's up. Sheesh. Yeah. Alright, so here's the event. I've already seen some of these cars at other meets, but it's cool to see them again. So clean, all lined up. Damn, T's on the E30? It's crazy.
Now it's fine.
Let me see it too. Cool. That's what I came for.
No, just Pico and Bar.
Only what?
Look at that. Oh man, I can't even show you guys them. It was too fucking fire. The best part, it was all free. Sheesh.
Yeah.
Did you do all this yourself, or did you have someone else?
No, so Dinan. Came from Dinan like this.
No, I mean, like, did you have an option with Dinan, or did somebody?
I bought it from somebody, yeah.
I see.
Yeah.
That is
But I didn't build it on Dinan.
I have a buddy who's Dinan fan.
No, the whole car been.
Dinan.
The whole car been.
You can tell he cares about it.
Sheesh, it's clean. Clean 92. This was what mine looked like when I got it. The craziest part of all this. So mid. Shit, I'm scaling this shit again. Good view from here though. Yeah. Perfect spot.